Hi students, today we are learning reflection of light at curved surfaces, and in that one we are learning the mirror formula, how to derive that. The mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, which is also to be called as a Gauss formula. So as you know that when the ray diagrams, how it can be generated, and it is a concave mirror, and when the object is kept beyond the C, the light ray which incident on the mirror at M, and after reflecting it passes through the principal focus F, and the light ray which comes through the C, it intersects at this particular point, and this called as a image, you can say. Now from this one, as per this situation according to the sign convention, and the object is kept at beyond the C, the distance measured from the pole to the object, which is called as the object to distance. So here let us say P to B is called object to distance, that is which is denoted with the U, and you can write this is A, B also you can write, which is erecting. So P to A is nothing but object to distance. Now P to I dash, this P to I dash where the image is forming. So that is nothing but image distance, that is represented with the V. Next P to C. P to C is what? C is the center of curvature. The distance between P and C is nothing but the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is always be double to the focal length. Next, one more thing is P to F. The P to F is nothing but what? So PF is equal to focal length of the given concave mirror. So from this one, as we know all the denotions, in this one we can apply the sign convention rules also. All the distances are measured from the pole, and all the distances which are opposite to the incident ray are taken as a negative, and in the direction of the incident ray are taken as a positive. Above the principal axis heights are considered as a positive, below the principal axis heights are considered as a negative. This sign convention we know very well. But now we are going to prove this derivation with a simple 4 triangles formula. The triangle 1 is ABC triangle. Now let us take triangle 2, which is I dash C, you can say. Now triangle 3 is MP dash F. Now triangle 4 is nothing but FI dash I. Just we can compare these triangles, and we can apply the rules of the similar triangle principles. Then we can derive the formula very easily. So from we can compare the triangle 1 and triangle 2. So triangle ABC is just similar to the triangle 2, we can take I dash C, you can say. So what is that one? Similar triangle principle, corresponding sides ratio always be equal. So what are the corresponding? These heights are corresponding and bases are corresponds. So here therefore AB by I dash is equal to, AB is the height, I dash is the height. Next, base ratio, AC and by the adjacent side is what? I dash C, you can write. But all the denotions are PA, PI dash, PC, PF is there. So all the distances must be measured from the pole, that we have to consider. So therefore in this formula we have to convert in this form. Therefore, so now in this way AB by I dash is equal to this AC we can write P to A minus P to C. So I may write PA minus PC, which is giving this CA. Next, I dash C. I dash C is nothing but P to C minus PI dash. P to C minus PI dash, you can say. But here the distance between P to P dash is negligible. So hence P is nothing but P dash you can consider. So P dash is negligible, you can say. Negligible. So nothing but P or P dash, P or P dash, anything you can take. So now in this way, AB by I dash is equal to PA is what? U. Object distance. Minus PC is a radius of curvature double to the focal length. Next PC, it is also 2F minus PI dash is nothing but image distance. It is equation 1 you can say. Now again 3 and 4 also we can compare. The triangle MP dash F is just similar to triangle I dash F. I dash F you can take. Right. Now in this way, corresponding sides ratio. These heights are comparable and the bases are comparable. Therefore, M P dash by I dash you can write is equal to P dash F by what you can write? F I dash you can write. I told already that one. So these distances, whatever it is there, it is always be written in the form of the given notation. So here MP dash is almost all equal height to the AB. So therefore MP dash is equal to, I am writing AB by I dash is equal to P dash F. P dash F is nothing but what I have to write? PF. P dash is nothing but it is given directly PF. So PF by. Now the denotation Fi dash is not given in this one. Therefore P2 I dash minus, so what we will take? PF. Therefore AB by I dash is equal to, PF is nothing but focal length, here PI dash is nothing but image distance, minus PF is nothing but F. It is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, if you can observe, the left hand sides are equal. Therefore, we can compare the right hand sides. So, from equation 1 and equation 2, what you can write? U minus 2F by 2F minus V is equal to this F by V minus PF. V minus F. So on cross multiplication, U into V, UV, U into minus F, U into F. Here minus 2F into V. So that is nothing but 2VF you can write. Minus into minus plus 2F square is equal to 2F into F. This is 2F square. Now minus into plus minus, this is V into F you can write. Now these two gets cancelled. Now all these F related terms we can take that side. Therefore U into V is equal to, this UF will be positive UF, this minus 2VF this becomes plus 2VF, here minus VF is there, right? Now UV is equal to 2VF minus VF, only VF will be remains. So UF plus VF is there, right? If F is taken common in this way, UV, F is taken common, this is U plus V you can write. Therefore 1 by F is equal to U plus V by UV you can write. On cross multiplication, therefore 1 by F is equal to U by UV plus V by UV you can write. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V remains, U gets cancelled, plus VV gets cancelled, 1 by U remains. So either formula is must be, you can write 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U, or else directly F is equal to UV by U plus V also you can write to determine the focal length of the given concave mirror. So by using this formula can be known as a Gauss formula or else mirror formula you can say. While doing the problem, definitely we have to apply the sign convention as per the position of the object and the position of the image. So one more thing we can learn about the magnification. So what magnification we are learning? Magnification means what? Magnification is nothing but the comparison of the image L with respect to the object. How it can be smaller or larger than the given object. So whenever the concave mirror is taken as like this is a principal axis. When object is taken like this, AB, if the light ray can be incident at P and it will be reflected. So this is nothing but I dash I you can say. This is theta, it is also theta. Why? Because according to laws of reflection, and this is the height of the object and this is the height of the image. And PA is nothing but U, object distance, and PI dash is nothing but image distance. Now here AB is nothing but height of the object and I dash is nothing but height of the image. From this one, you both, if you can compare that one, the magnification is nothing but tan theta, if you can write in this triangle. So this is AB by, what you can write? PA. Opposite by adjacent. This is nothing but H naught by, this PA is nothing but U. Again, this is also tan theta, you can write. It is I dash by, this is PI dash, you can write. Nothing but HI by, what you can write? This is V. So both should be equal. This is H naught by U is equal to HI by V, you can write. So here HI by H naught is equal to, this is nothing but V by U, you can write. So height of the image by height of the object, or else the image distance by object distance. But by applying the sign convention, so we can write this is minus, or else you can write, so HI by H naught is nothing but minus V by U, you can write. This is nothing but magnification of the concave mirror. So this magnification value must be negative for concave mirror, or M value is positive for convex mirror. So by knowing the magnification value, you can find out the height of the object or height of the image, or here the comparison of the sizes you see. So this theta must be compared height of the object by this object distance, height of the image by image distance. So by this, if you can compare that, height of the image by height of the object is compared with the minus the V by U. So it is just the numerical value only. It does not possess any particular unit. The magnification is always be represented with a M, and it is gives the comparison of the heights of the object or comparison of the distances of the image and as well as the object. So it is M value is a negative for which one? Concave mirror, or M value is positive for always be convex mirror. So with this one we can determine the mirror formula and we can calculate. So whenever a given concave mirror, how to determine the focal length, and by keeping the different positions, and you can calculate u value, you can calculate v value. Thereafter by substituting this you can find out the v value. So the f value, f is nothing but the focal length of the concave mirror, and this is the Gauss formula. So very simplest thing, that one denotions must be taken, and just the 4 triangles are being compared, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and just the 2 equations you can compare and you can derive the formula at a very easy way. And magnification, directly you can write the formula, the comparison of the images, distance and object distance, comparison of the height of the image by height of the object also you can write. So like this one you can write very easily this formula. Thank you.